So good day mga kaibigan, nandito na naman tayo para sa isang unpacking ng mga items na in-order ko sa Lazada, which is tatlong RCA cable at isang 3.5 to 3.5 mm male jack. So the reason why I ordered this, if you can remember dun sa previous video ko, yung in-unpack ko tong preamplifier, I need an RCA cable to connect this preamplifier to my audio-video receiver. Dito ko i-connect yung turntable ko na nire-rehabilitate ko coming from my uncle. So, shoutout ko yung isa nating subscriber na si Rico na nag-recommend na umorder ako ng quality RCA. And I've chosen U-Green. Why? Kasi itong U-Green, trusted ko na to from the very beginning. Bakit? Naka-order na ako ng ilang beses sa kanilang mga cables. So, I ordered 3 RCA, dalawang 2 meters ang length, and then 1 meter length na RCA. So, for the 3.5 mm jack, it cost me 157. And then for the 1 meter RCA cable, it cost me 222.26 during that time. And then for the 2 meters length, it cost me around 305.96. So that's back then. So I ordered it last July 30. Both of them. May storya pa nga pala to. So sabay kong in-order to ng July 30. Would you believe it na nauna pa tong maliit? It arrived on August 4. Roughly 5 days from the day that I put my purchase in Lazada. And then this one arrived on August 7. So, 8 days naman to. At nakapagtaka lang is that, bakit magkaiwalay pa sila? Since same company naman, ng in-orderan, magkaiwalay pa sila ng shipping. But that's okay, since I'm going to unpack din naman sila at the same time. So, I'm going to start with the 3.5 mm jack. Purpose of this 3.5 mm jack is to connect my speaker. I am using for call listening. So, alisin natin yung plastic. In order ko is 2 meters because the previous one that I'm using was only 1 meter. Masyado maikli. Hindi ko siya ma-move around yung speaker. So, eto siya. So, naka-plastic. Ang re-remove ko muna tong preamplifier. Ang packaging niya is ordinary plastic. Wala man lang bubble wrap. And then, eto na siya kagad. Hindi rin siya naka-bubble wrap. Since siguro hindi iniisip ng seller, hindi naman siya masyadong sensitive. Kasi nga, cable naman to. Still, I would prefer na naka-bubble wrap. So, may kasama siyang may free na yung pantali para imbis na ibubuhol mo, ito ang gagamitin mo. Free na to. Actually, ang cost nito is 82 pesos from the same company. Hindi ko siya in-order, hindi ko siya, siguro free na to coming from the same company. Tama, free na nga. It will cost you around 82.76 pesos just for this small panali sa wire. So, let's see kung 2 meters by doing a manual measurement. So, guys, ang ganda ng dulo niya, yung tip. Later on, I'm going to take a picture of it para makita nyo yung quality. So, isang naka-L and isang straight. So, tingnan natin kung tama. At mukhang 2 meters nga. Tama, 2 meters nga ang haba. So, good job sa seller kasi accurate yung length na pinadala niya, which is 2 meters para dito sa 3.5 mm jack. Flat nga pala yung cable niya, guys. Flat type. And then, itong ganda niya. Gold-plated yung tips. And then dito rin, gold-plated din to. So good job. Kaya ko siya napili rin. Then, let's go dito sa RCA cable. The reason why I ordered 2 meters length na RCA is I'm planning to connect this subwoofer dito rin sa audio video receiver ko. Kasi meron na akong isa rito, kaso nakukulangan ako sa bayo. Kasi yung size nito is dual 8 inches lang. While this one is a 10-inch driver. So, packaging niya, plastic na bubble wrap na yung pinakaloob. At least ito naka-bubble wrap. And then, meron na naman siyang additional extra na pantali sa cables. So, at least I already saved 82 plus 82, that's 164 pesos. Kaso ang ginagamit ko lang naman madalas pantali ng is itong ganitong tie wire. So, una natin buksan is yung 1 meter. Ito siya. Packaging wise, plastic lang din. And then, U-Green, coming from U-Green. By the way, I ordered in order ko siya sa U-Green official store in Lazada. And then, so may dalawa siyang sobra. So tatlo bali yung dumating na pantali. So hindi lang pala isa. May dalawa pa siya rito sa RCA. Buksan muna natin yung 1 meter. Ziplock yung ano niya, hindi pala ziplock, ano ang tawag doon? Kalimutan ko tawag. And then may kasama siyang thank you, important, warranty information. Then nagte-thank you for purchasing from their company. So 1 meter. Tingnan natin kung 1 meter length. Ang ganda ng quality ng cable niya, guys, 1 meter. So looking into the end tips, all of them are gold plated, as you can see here. Siguro i-zoom in ko na lang para makita nyo yung quality. Doon sa mga nangangailangan ng RCA, you won't go wrong with U-Green. Because my other preferred one is from Bention. Dito lang ako sa U-Green naman. Nakakita ng quality cable. So, magandang klase. Then, let's check the 2 meters length. So, may kasama rin siyang warranty card. And then, thank you card na rin at the same time. So, as expected, coming from the same company, U-Green, yung cable niya, quality. And then yung end tips is gold plated as well. I would rather have a gold plated one kasi mas maganda yung sound reproduction or sound transfer. So 2 meters as well, and then ito yung end tips ng 2 meters. So kukunan ko rin siya ng spot detail para sa dulo makikita nyo. So ayan. Quality ng cables, makapal guys. Flexi, malambot, pero for sure makapal yung cable niya. I'm not quite sure kung yung cable lang makapal o yung wire sa loob, pero I'm trusting U-Green na makapal yun. Kasi nga, nakailang order na rin ako sa kanila na chinecheck ko rin yung gauge ng wire sa loob, yung pinaka-copper. Sa specification kasi, ang nakalagay is lead-free to. So, meaning magandang klase. So, may manual din. So, this is the second 2 meters length na RCA. So, checking ko rin yung length, of course, para siguradong 2 meters. So that's another 2 meters. Quality wise, pareho din nung naunang dalawa. Gold plated tips. And yung quality ng wire, if you're going to feel it, para siyang rubberized yung wire na to. So, mangyayari nito is at kung ito yung preamplifier, i-connect ko buksan na natin. I-connect ko si turntable dito sa input, and then ito i-connect ko dito sa output. So once I connected this from the output, the other end needs to go to the audio video receiver. Maybe what I'm going to do is choose one input for my audio video receiver para magamit ko na tong preamp. Then the turntable goes here. Hindi ko pa lang siya completely ma-setup kasi sa ngayon meron pa akong hinihintay na mga devices para mai-tone ko yung turntable. So meron na akong cartridge or stylus para dun sa turntable. Meron na akong preamp para dun sa turntable din. And then I already have these cables para dun sa turntable, and of course dito sa subwoofer dito para ma-connect ko na siya. So what I'm expecting maybe by next week is yung weight, tawag doon, weighing scale, wherein ibababa mo yung stylus, yung pinaka arm nung turntable, ibababa mo ron para malaman mo kung 2.2 grams, 3 grams, para malaman mo yung exact weight na patama dun sa plaka. The purpose of it is para hindi masira yung plaka and at the same time yung stylus. Like what happened to the original Sansui stylus ko. Kasi nga, sobrang hindi ko naka-measure yung weight, sobrang bigat pala, naputol yung needle. So, I don't want to commit the same mistake, kaya umorder ako ng mga ganon. So, going back to this, guys, quality, itong U-green. Hindi kayo magkakamali rito. Ang ganda ng mga cables na to. So, I hope you like this simple unpacking of cables coming from U-green official store. Thank you for watching my video. Please continue watching all my videos. Would like to shout out dun sa sa isang subscriber nga na si Rico na nagsuggest na umorder na lang ng quality audio video cables, RCA cable coming from Lazada. So dun na nga lang ako umorder sa U-green. Thank you very much, Rico. Salute. Now, shout out dun sa mga kaibigan natin. First of all is yung wife ko, si Beng. Love you, darling. And then, of course, to my children, kay LA, kay Nudge. And then, of course, dun sa dalawa kong apo, na si Tiffany Arya, plus Luis Caden. Shout out din dun sa brothers and sister ko, na si Sunny J, si Lemuel, and si Lobel. And then, sa best friends ko, na si Maynard David, and of course, si Marvis Navarro. Shout out sa inyo. Then, doon sa mga other shoutouts, sa mga cousin ko, lalagay ko na lang i-embed ko na lang yung mga names nyo sa habang pinipicturean ko to. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you continue watching my video. Click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you. Bye-bye.